Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. We're live in the city of Enugu State, and we're about to show you guys some amazing drone shots from the city.
Yes guys, so these clips you're about to see is the reason why Enugu State remains the king of the East. I believe you are going to agree with me by the time you see these clips.
Yes guys, so if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so when we upload videos you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber,
thank you very
so much
we
guys.
appreciate
We love all your support. So guys, let's go.
And do not forget to give us a thought at the end of this video, and do also help us share so your brothers can see.